Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.1335 rands a coin. The present cost range: 1.1246, 1.1516. The earlier day close: 1.1386. The change was 0.0051, 0.45%. Backwards rate: ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, September 26. Cost 1.11 rands, high 1.19, low 1.03. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, September 27. Cost 1.12 rands, high 1.20, low 1.04. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, September 28. Cost 1.12 rands, high 1.20, low 1.04. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, September 29. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. And multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 2. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, October 3. Cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, October 4. Cost 1.12 rands, high 1.20, low 1.04. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, October 5. Cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, October 6. Cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Monday, October 9. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 1.11 rands, high 1.19, low 1.03. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 1.11 rands, high 1.19, low 1.03. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, October 12. Cost 1.12 rands, high 1.20, low 1.04. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, October 13. Cost 1.11 rands, high 1.19, low 1.03. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 16. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 1.08 rands, high 1.16, low 1.00. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, October 19. Cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, October 20. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. In about a month Dogecoin estimate on Monday, October 23. Cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.00 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.00, while low cost 0.82. Found the middle value of cost 0.93. Exorbitant cost 0.92, while low cost 0.80. Found the middle value of cost 0.87. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.86, change for February 2.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WALC 2024. In the first place cost at 0.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.97, while low cost 0.85. Found the middle value of cost 0.90. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.91, change for spring 5.8%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 0.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.91, while low cost 0.78. Found the middle value of cost 0.86. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.84, change for April 7.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 0.84 rands. Excessive cost 0.84, while low cost 0.70. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.78. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.75, change for May 10.7%. Dogecoin figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at 0.75 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.93, while low cost 0.75. The found the middle value of cost 0.83. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.87, change for June 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.87 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.94, while low cost 0.82. The found the middle value of cost 0.88. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.88, change for July 1.1%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.88 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.95, while low cost 0.83. The found the middle value of cost 0.89. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.89, change for August 1.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.10, while low cost 0.89. The found the middle value of cost 0.98. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.03, change for September 15.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 1.03 rands. Excessive cost 1.18, while low cost 1.02. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.08. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.10, change for October 6.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 1.10 rands. Excessive cost 1.10, while low cost 0.95. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.04. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.02, change for November 7.3%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 1.02 rands. Excessive cost 1.14, while low cost 1.00. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.06. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.07, change for December 4.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 1.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.17, while low cost 1.01. The found the middle value of cost 1.09. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the